What verbs go, come, and have? The verbs have, go, and come are very common in English. So, in English language, these three verbs are used commonly. The first verb, go. Number one, how to use the verb go. The form of the verb go. The simple present is go. The simple past went, and the past participle is gone. The present participle is going. So, the form of the verb go in simple present, went in simple past, gone in past participle, and going in present participle, continuous form. So, when we use go, متى نستخدم go? We use go to express movement away from the current location of the speaker. يعني يقصد باستخدام go للتعبير عن الانتقال أو للحركة من مكان المتكلم إلى مكان آخر، أي ينتقل من أقرب مكان من المتكلم إلى مكان أبعد. Use go to express movement away from the current location of the speaker. Example 1. Let's go to a movie theater tonight. 2. You'll go far. 3. I'm going crazy. 4. He went to the north on vacation. The verb have. The verb have is used commonly in English. The present form have, the past form had, and the past participle had. And having is the present participle. The verb have is used in a number of ways in English. It can be used as an auxiliary verb. It can also be used as an ordinary verb. إذا يستخدم كفعل مساعد الهاف أو كفعل رئيسي بالجملة. As the main verb, have indicates ideas such as possession of objects، يعني حيازة أو تملك الأشياء، إذا يفيد إلى الملكية. Individual characteristics، المميزات الخاصة الفردية. Relationships والعلاقات مع بعضها. For example, he has a brother in Germany. He is the subject. Has is the one form of the verb have. إذا شكل من أشكال verb have. It comes here as an ordinary verb. Ordinary verb, it means main verb, فعل رئيسي. Has is a main verb in this sentence, فعل رئيسي بتلك الجملة. A brother in Germany, the complement of the sentence. She has long hair. She has long hair. She is the subject. Has indicates possession of objects. حيازة individual characteristics، مميزات فردية، هي ذات شعر طويل. The baby has blue eyes. الطفل عيونه زرق. The baby is the subject. Has the main verb, blue eyes, the object. I have 2 kids. Have here is the possession of object, إذن الملكية. I, subject, have ordinary or main verb, 2 kids, object. They have no time. Come. The third and the last verb here is come. Come in the simple present. Came, simple past. Come, past participle. Coming, present participle. How to use the verb come? We use come to talk about movement to the place where the speaker or listener is. إذن come هو يستخدم عكس الجو، الحركة والانتقال إلى المكان الذي يحدث فيه الكلام من المتكلم. عكس go. Examples. Lona, will you come here؟ هل ستأتين هنا يا لونا؟ 2. Yes, I am coming. نعم إني قادم. Or I am not coming. لست قادم. Wait. They came to live here in 2012. لقد جاءوا للعيش هنا في 2012. For every dream can come true. Every dream can come true. إذن كل حلم قد يتحقق. 5. Come home from school. ارجع إلى البيت من المدرسة. Put have, go or come into each gap. 1. Blank an accident. Have an accident. 2. Come first in the race. جاء أولا في السباق. 3. Go out for a meal. أخرج لتناول وجبة. 4. Come and see me. تعال لرؤيتي. 5. Go shopping. 6. Have a call. 7. Go wrong. 8. Have a meeting. 9. Come. Go abroad. يعني السفر خارج البلد. Complete the sentences with the correct form of have or have got, go or come. 1. We are having a party next Saturday. Would you like to come? 2. I have a terrible headache. Can I go home, please? 3. You must see my new flat. Come around and have a drink sometime. 4. I'm going out now, Mom. Bye. Okay. Have a good time. What time are you coming home? 5. Hi, babe. Pet is having a shower at the moment. We use is having because we have the adverb at the moment to express the continuous form. إذا وجود ال at the moment يجعلنا نضع الجملة في حالة المضارع مستمر. I'll just go and tell him you are there. 6. Come on, get out of bed. It's time to go to school. 7. It's a lovely day. Let's go to the park. We can have a picnic. I am going to skiing next week.